In this second video series, I will be talking about the basic syntax of HTML. They are the tags, elements, and attributes. The tags are actually the hidden keywords within a page. They define how the browser will format and display the content. For example, this H1 is the tag. They are in between the angle braces and they have beginning and ending tags. That is this one. The beginning and the ending tags are the same, except that the ending tag has a slash, which I just demonstrated. There are some exceptions though, like input tag or the link tag. The input tag will look like this. So in this case, there's no ending tag. Now, the attributes. Most HTML tags has attributes, which is used to denote extra informations. This is used to define the characteristics of an HTML and is placed inside the elements opening tag. HTML attributes consist of two parts, the name and the value. And the value is always in the quotation. For example, in this case, inside this link tag, the href is the name and the URL here is the attribute. Now the elements. This is the structure or the semantics that make up the page. They generally consist of the start tag, the content, and the ending tag. For example, the p tag, this is the content. This is the element. I will continue in the next video. Please hit like on my channel. I will be grateful. Regards.